Hi everybody. So today we will revise the function in vertex form, which are a part of quadratic functions. So the vertex form have this equation form, which is y is equal to a times x minus p squared plus q, and this shows us that the graph has a parabolic form, shape, and there is a vertex, which is where the function changed the direction. So whenever the function changed the direction, that means that point is the vertex point. So all these points are the vertex points. So, and it also has a symmetry with x is equal to p. So the point p of the vertex actually show us the symmetric axis. So you come to your p point and you just draw a vertical line that pass through that point, and it will give you the symmetric point, the symmetric line of that function. Okay, whenever you have this form, that means there is a translation, horizontal translation and vertical translation. So let's go over all this unknown one by one. So for A, it shows you is the graph widely open or shortly open. If the graph is widely open, that means your A is between 0 and 1. It is less than 1, and it should be greater than 0. So between 0 and 1. If the graph, the original graph, is stretched, like it's become smaller, less wider, that means your A is greater than 1. If your A is positive, that means your parabola is upward, is going from one side to other side, but it is looking upward. If your A is negative, that means your parabola is downward. Okay, this is the job of our A. For P, actually it's not just the P, it's minus P. It should be minus P. The minus P shows you that the graph was horizontally shifted, not vertically, horizontally shifted. Okay, if you have here minus P, that means your parabola was shifted right side with a P unit. Okay, if you have here plus P, that means your parabola was shifted left side with a P unit. For the Q is the vertical translation. If you have plus P, that means your parabola was shifted upward by Q unit. If you have minus Q, that means your parabola was shifted downward with a Q unit. Good. So now let us see exactly some example. Like, we have a function that was just, the original one is just x squared, which is the blue one here. Okay, and when if we want to shift this function to the right side, so I should just have my P here inside the parentheses with x. For example, I want to shift my x squared 1 unit to the right side, so I should have my x changed to be x minus 1 everything squared. That's the only thing I need to change. If I want to shift my parabola to the left side with 2 units, I should change my x to x minus plus 2 because I'm going to left side. So left side it should be plus 2 square. Okay, and same thing if we are shifting 3 units left side, it's plus 3. If I want to shift my same parabola but upward, so I should just have my x square plus the value I want to shift. For example, I want to shift my parabola 2 units upward. I should have x square plus 2. It's not inside the x square, it's outside, should be outside. If I want to shift my parabola like left downside 1 unit, I should put my x square minus 1 unit down, so it will go down. If I want to shift horizontally and vertically my parabola, I should change both of them. So I should have my x minus my p inside the bracket plus my q outside the bracket. For example, for this parabola, I am shifting my original one to 3 unit right side, horizontally right side, and 2 units upward because it's plus 1. And because I have my a is negative, so my parabola should look down. Okay, and because also my a is greater than 1, so my parabola will be shifted, will be stretched a little bit down. So my parabola will be smaller. It's not will be wide as the first one.